Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a fairly popular knife here. It is the Spyderco Para 3 Black Blade, and it's part number C223GPBK. It has the trademarked Ambidextrous round hole to open up the blade, as you can see here. The blade is made from the CPM S30V stainless steel. And it also has 4 positions that you can put the hourglass pocket clip in whatever position you would like. So right now it's set up here. You could turn it around, put it here, or on the other side if you're left-handed. Has an oversized lanyard hole. The overall length of the knife is 7¼ inch, almost. The blade is 2.95 inches. To close the knife, we're going to do this. And the closed length is about 4.29 inches. And it weighs only 3.4 ounces. The cost is $155.40 with free shipping, and they're made in the USA, which is fantastic. They're available now at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that thumbs up right now, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.